So okay guys, I just got a cookie failure. Oh my. Okay, so I have some red kidney beans right here. They were already cooked. I got it from the freezer, so I just defrost it. So I'm just gonna add it to my pot right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and season our pot the same way as we would have seasoned, you know, our Jamaican rice and peas. So I'm gonna add my thyme. I'm gonna add a pepper. I'm gonna add crushed garlic. I'm gonna add my scallion, and I'm also gonna add some coconut. So today I'm using pure cream coconut. It's like a bar really, but it's coconut. So once I put it in the pot, it's like coconut butter. So when I put it in the pot, it's going to melt. Tablespoon. So you're gonna get that coconut flavor. 2 tablespoons. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of regular butter or margarine. Just gonna stir everything in. I'm gonna add a little salt for taste. Then we're gonna cover it and leave it to boil for around 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. Just stir it a little bit. So instead of adding rice to this, guys, we're going to add pasta. Okay, so today I'm using this spiral pasta, ranzoni. Yeah, they're spiral, and I'm gonna add them to our pot right here. So I'm using 1/3 box. Oops. Well, that's actually half box. So I'm using half box. I'm gonna add enough water so that the water barely covers the pasta, because we're gonna allow the water to boil out. So we don't want to add too much water for around 7 minutes. Okay, so our pasta is all done. It's looking wonderful. And then, so now we're just gonna turn our stove off, and we're gonna go ahead and remove all the scallion and thyme and pepper. We're just gonna take all of this stuff out. Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. I know it's COVID time. If you had to go on the road, please ensure that you're wearing your mask, you're using your sanitizer, and guys, please practice social distancing. You know what they say, 6 feet apart. And if you're at home, please don't stay home and be stressed. Use this opportunity to develop on a skill or learn a new skill. Communicate with your family, communicate with your friends, read, write, exercise, eat right, drink lots of water. Do whatever that makes you feel contented. But I want you all to be happy and okay. Lots of love and blessings from Crazy Greens to you. Mwah. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and add some oil to our pot. And there we go. Okay. Not too much, we just want enough to saute our seasoning, okay? Then to our oil, we're going to add some onions, a little piece of pepper, and some tomatoes. So we're just gonna saute it. After that, we're gonna add our tuna. And again, we're gonna just put everything in. Now to our tuna, we're gonna add some cooked vegetables. So here we have broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. And they're already cooked. So we're really just going to stir it in and make it have that, you know, pretty look. But we're not going to have it on the stove for too long. Add a little butter for flavor. Yeah, that's it. So here we have our final product, guys. After 3 epic fails, I still managed to bring you something that is super unique and super delicious. I'm working on producing a cookie that has no sugar and butter in it. I still have some work to do where that is concerned, but right now this is a very quick, easy dinner lunch idea, and it's very tasty. Go ahead, try it out, let me know what you think, and as I always say, see you next week with another crazy idea.